umuntu on the floor. Eish. Hey, yeah. Morning, Mama. Good morning. This one I think, guys, a tripod damage shall receive. But Velits, go. And that's no, I mean, Guys, no, me no feel like a woman. I say, I don't know. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. God dang it, it's been a while. Sunjan Ukula. I actually feel so much better, Kabang, which is another Sunda, but I got medication yesterday. I also drank Myogen. If you guys know what Myogen is. So I'm feeling much better. I want to tell you so short in feeling young as a Makoto rice and book. Feels like a feeling. I am touching. Ngiyadlala nje lesi skate asingifanele ngisho ngingakhala ngize ngenzeni hayi asingifanele yabo le skate ngiyasigqoka phela ngoba but hayi bengisigqokile ngenza sure ukuthi I don't even take pictures because angisiyena umuntu oyikeke. Also my lashes are coming out now after a month. I think so for me nje phethe abonana lezi zinto lezi sithe lezi sinawa print kodwa mina nje into ethi skate nje once yaqala yaba yinde yajike yangaba body fitting izingane ngisishwapha ngimncane emzimbeni so khona ngicabanga umuntu omncane emzimbeni egqokile skate esiyasibona le skate isithi sinama print yini so ama print noma ama plate bazinto kanjalo belibone nawe siwe asingizothini phela mfowethu mina ngigqoka into work appropriate. Guys, ngihlezi ngizwa nesi you play umaskandi to activate inkani. Hear me out. Please play Gqom. I don't listen like to Gqom a lot. I don't groove a lot. But when I'm in a good mood, okay? I listen to Gqom. Whatever this thing is it Gqom or is it 3-step? I listen to that. Bese ngiyeza-ke la ngizonibona ngizonidayisela thenga lezi zesetting nje guys first things. Which one is that one? Let's test that sefoshini. These ones. Eyelashes the 10. I'm telling you, lapho they're so old. Guys, angizakhumbula ngenplaga ngalogelo wanenza inkopo. Angazi, undefeated. Lezi inkopo ayikaze iphume, ayikaze iphume ngisho eyodwa lapho ngazenza nini qala October. Bas phela manje August seziyaphuma because mina ufuna ukuyikhipha yabo la. But nje they are still intact. These lashes are still intact and I did them like a month ago if I'm not mistaken. Mhlambe ngazenza uqala October. Somewhere there. Ngazenza kusaqala October. Which lash glue do you use? I don't know, babe. I went to do my lashes. I'm in shopping center, and then that's how I get my lashes too. That's how my lashes are still. I don't know which glue she uses, because I just went there to do lashes. They were only like 150. Can you imagine? 150 rands. This is Cluster Lashes Cat's Eye. So manje safuna advertise link op manje. Nina niyazi ukuthi ngidayisa imoto kodwa angizithengi imoto. Ngiyafisa ukuthi nizohlangana kulo December. Noma nizoqatha hayi phela kade sayikhuluma guys indaba ukuthi umuntu owehlayo umuntu ohamba ngemoto. If awuhambi nje ngemoto sukungihle. Oh, thank you Notorious BIG. Maungahambi ngemoto sukungihle. Let me put my number here. You guys forget ukuthi I sell cars. We sell cars here. My number is 071 006 6001. I sell cars, guys, all brands. I sell Omoda, I sell JQ, I sell Jeto, I sell Suzuki, I sell Kia, I sell Polo, VW, every VW, I sell Toyota, everything. Everything. So if you're looking for a car, whether you're looking for a brand new car or you are looking for a pre-owned car or you are looking for a demo, I am your girl. I am your girl, okay? So hope your Isipino video went well. It actually didn't. Can you imagine? I'm only going to shoot this weekend because I haven't been able to get anyone to go with me to Isipino. Like everyone who keeps promising me just ditches me last minute, and I can't go alone. So this weekend I have a friend who said he's not working, so he's gonna go with me. Can you imagine? So late. And you see, the biggest problem is that I work during the day. During the day I'm at work, you know, so I can only shoot on a Saturday or on a Sunday. So now I've been trying to find someone who's gonna go with me to Isipino to shoot, and it's not going well. Hi Notando, hi Jason. Yes, I only did one video, but I haven't posted it. Hela, you have different items. It's just that me and choose what one is of different gadgets. I'm gonna do one for the tablets, one for and then one for you. Is the magic not weekend? Yeah, because I did go the other weekend with a friend of mine, and I need to go with a male though, not as females only, especially if you're going to shoots, because if you're guys, can you please help me with shooting a video on Saturday? If you stay in Isipino, please DM me or just take my number. My number is 071 006 6001. I just need your help with a little something, a video. I need to shoot a video actually. So yeah, well, and I need to be in Isipino. So guys, let's talk everything cars. Oh, thank you so much. Let's talk everything cars, guys. Anyone who has a credit score of 611 and you have an earning of monthly salary of 7.5 after deductions. How do you apply? You apply like every other place. Like we are check on the pages. If there's any post for jobs being advertised, you follow the instructions on the post and you apply. Yithu Lundi. Yitha Mahlabasi. Whereabouts is Ipingo? Anyway, but preferably next to the place where there's a new mall. Yes, I need a place in Alamo. Angas, Gosiam, I don't work in HR. Because the child is so much of himself, she's open my page, guys. Angas. I don't know. I really don't know. Guys, ngiphathele celebrity bokani.
And then umlomo simanje manje sanibona.
Khuluma phela ungakusisana.
Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Philani Vumase. Alongside with me, Lala Petse Onana, Philasande.
Hey, Tan.
It's
giving girl.
Much better. Well, sanibonani guys, sanibona. Welcome to Live Philasande, which is where we're selling cars. So Philasande and I are selling cars. Me, myself, and I see you. One of my followers. No, me, myself, and I. Uzo, Kwamanda.
Ngene imoto zizophuma noPhilani.
Ngithenga imoto uyayikhethela ke uma ufuna iphume nonana uzothola iphume nonana uma ufuna iphume nami na kanjani kuzokwenzeka lokho emseni wakho of course.
I don't know how you guys do it. This thing of being live and just talking, it's so weird.
It's not. Just read the comments, you'll be fine.
But there's no comments, that's the thing. About?
People love that, when you read that comment. Oh man, it's really nice. Comment down. They love that. Guys, am I lying? If I am, please tell me. That's not gonna mind. No. Precious M, it's hi Philani.
Hi Philani,
how you doing, Precious? Uyanda, Melanie, no, you're not. So. Precious, no.
So I'm asking,
so I believe now.
Oh, audition.
Audition time.
Precious.
So they like it when you read the comments.
But they don't send any comments, even if I say hi.
Just give them a chance. Give them a chance. To support. Don't give up on your people. Guys, in fact, please bless her with my roses, guys. Please send her my roses, like 5 roses just to bless him. Means like a little right. Zingela, it's when I greeted you 1-0. Guys, Zingela, you're complaining. Put her color pants. Guys, Zingela, I'm going to color pants again. I'm being a lady. Precious air, what's in them ton of motors.
Naiman.
Cousin. No. Kanjani manje? Yo. Ngasengiyabona. Sweetie, it's ne right ngoba kahle kakhulu sweetie wena unjani? Okay.
Hey, pretty girl, this is what I said. I never got that.
Yo, phendula phela.
Why wouldn't I respond to me? Hi. Uze ungqoma uthi pretty girl bengizokuzibelana man.
Thola ukuthi ingane ingimali. Ina confess I'm pretty girl. What's your name? Figure you say hello, my score 591 and my net is 17k. Maybe you can try. As much as we need is 611.
Yeah.
But we can try.
You can try.
And I touch the number right now, I figure I believe the number is on the dial, right?
Yes, it's everywhere. It's on my bio, even on this live record. But let me just rewrite it because it's so far away now.
So please do take a number and send her WhatsApp message. Naganjani uzotholela imoto yakho. Fikile. Imoto idingayo unana make sure ukuthi uyakutholela. So ngasomusha isikhathi thatha manje.
Sizosebenza ngitobereka.
Thatha manje.
Sizobona ukuthi senze njani. Let's just hope kulo 591 wakho. Awukazi we blacklisted. Like you've never been blacklisted, you're not owing anything, you don't have any missing payments. Then now we can talk.
Nje.
We can try and see what we can do.
Lonke nje sicela sibuze ukuthi let us try. Ngenzeka uyithole imoto lo 590 wakho leyo. Sweetie was abakithi sweetie. Was ukuthi ngisosha ikhophi.
What is sweet? Owesingane.
No, bengizaphuza amanzi, ngingamanzi. Na senze ikhophi and
Naye. Awu Cedric. Ithenge bethi Omoda. Did you guys see ukuthi there's a special kuma Omoda? Entry level Omoda C5 streets. Let me actually show you guys. Naye lapha nje, naye phambi kwami. Naye. Iyehlile. So if you buy it now, your monthly installment is gonna be 4,000. So instead of like usually when you buy an Omoda, your monthly installment is usually around 5,000 to 5.5. But we have a sale, Black Friday sale, so Imoda is a bit special. And we also have another deal that if you buy a car now, not all cars, mostly I'm a JAC, which is the Pakis, you buy it now and you only start paying in February. So if you were to take a month and your monthly installment is like, hi Atin, I'm a special at Black Friday. I'm a special at Black Friday. Please go on my page. You are posting it. Okay. But mostly it's Omoda and JAC. Hi, I'm going to make my scar 2023. I want to trade it in. Finish that close in 676 points. Please take my number and send me a message on WhatsApp. We can definitely do that. So when I'm trade in like Kaya, you just have to send me pictures of your car. We do evaluation, we price your car. It's like apply la flow style, it's crossing, you get your car. It's as easy as that. So just take my number and then we will talk on WhatsApp. And ma ungisendela manje lezo zinto lezo. Ungisendele manje, senze evaluation manje, yonke iqhubeke manje imoto yakho ungayithola ngisho kusasa. Tomorrow, guys, it doesn't take long to tell you what, like honestly. Go to Jerry and send the documents the application, you get approved, you can even get it on the same day. You can even get it in 2 hours. You give me your documents, I file your application, I take it to finance. Finance sends it to all the banks, and the bank approve. We are signing now, wins insurance, we are signing on it has more than December. Okay, it's a magic, and it was the thing on December. More vele kuyafana uzoqala ukukhokhela ngoFebruary. So yabo ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu osizakalayo la uwena. and guys what's a special subject Friday nje ulaba abathanda amabhakhi I hope nibonile guys there's a JACT9 Hunter that is like the highest speculation of the JAC that is a bhakhi that has so many great features. I'm gonna post it on my feed today and you guys are gonna see it. It's so amazing. Like you only do it for So if we are that good, you have a credit score of 611 credit score, you have a monthly salary of 7.5 after deductions, you have never been blacklisted and you are not under debt review. Ungithinte uzothola imoto yakho oyifisayo. Sinazo zonke imoto guys. If you want an entry level car like the i10, sinayo i10, sinayo Toyota Vitz. The i10 esinayo it's going for 224,990. Can you imagine? That is a bargain. So we are not 60. Guys, in fully platform that if you want to ask any questions, you're more than welcome to. Any questions, you know, office pay lega bona mara haya but now phela ungabuzi ukuthi ubuze or disrespectful but if you have any questions you can ask them up in the comment section so we can keep going or else the live was ivala. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or you can take my number and send me a message on WhatsApp. Normally you guys, I need to show you the cars we have. I'm sure no quota. Siyahlala for Q&A noma nifuna ukubona imoto. Imoto ke guys uyakwazi njalo nokuyithenga ngo-cash. So if we are going to blacklisted, you know, under debt review, obviously now you can't buy a car using vehicle finance. You have to buy it no cash. So if you turn on your cash, guys, you don't need any credit score. You just need your ID and your license, and then you're good to go. Ngiyabonga wena. Sizoba ne-delivery nje manje so-deliver i-10. Yo guys, ngiyashisa ngoba ungangisile hot. Ngiyashisela bese ngiyahlala nje. Ngiyashisela, oh my god, it's so unbelievable. I'm sure ngaba msebenzini bengathola nje because mina ngifeza ngibhodola. Manje mase ngathi ngiyashiselwa. Morning to those who just joined us. We are here. My name is Philasani Namu and I am a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. I sell all brand cars. Halfway is a licensed dealership that sells pre-owned cars, brand new cars, demos, and we also do trade-ins. So if you have a car and you're looking to upgrade or you're looking to downgrade, so to get up to you, you're more than welcome to take my number. My number is currently pinned on the screen, so you're more than welcome to take it. If you can't get it on the screen, just go to my bio, go to my page, you're gonna see my number. It's literally everywhere. And text out uyasho ukuthi phela Sande, can I please do a trade-in or can I please buy a new car? Ama-requirements yawabona mhla waphuma ama-post awafani. There's different positions for different people. So leyobona ngaleyo post eyobuyifumile ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi bayobe befuna umuntu kanjani. Don't know if I'm making sense. Because mina ngingakutshela into manje bese mase ubona ipost isi-advertise-iwe mhlawumbe ingasabhalile into engishoyo. Now you're gonna feel weird. Oh, I was still saying, guys, we are a licensed dealership that sells brand new cars and pre-owned cars and demo. We also do trade-in. We do deliveries all over. We do deliveries all over South Africa. As long as this is South Africa, I tell you, Motakobina, uyayithola. Umanje nje izolo we delivered a car to Limpopo. We delivered a car to Limpopo. So anyway, as long as nje this in Southern, you get your car. Hi, I'm Sealing Butter. Njani Sithando. Saze saluma isinuka hayibo umuntu ngishela isinuka iyalunga ilejela kakhulu ilejela masike besiluka ngayo hayibo guys ngaze noma ngiyozela noma ngishawa umoya. Let me see ukuthi mengena emnyango kuzoba kanjani. Oh, kuyashisa lapha ibhongozweni. Ha, le tripod iwushort mfana. I'm trying to text you but ayihambi. Kanjani, which number? My number is 071 006 6001. 071 006 6001. This is my number. If this one is incorrect, then go take the one on my bio, but it should be correct. Guys, enye into ngiyacela like. Yabo labantu laba abathi basiza abantu mabe blacklisted what. Guys, no. Like angikwazi, like I can't give you guys ama leads, I can't give you guys numbers zabantu abadeclaniwe because it's against policy. Umuntu ufika ethembe mina ngezinto zakhe bese mina ngizonikeza wena. I can't do that, I don't do that. We're not allowed to do that, especially since you guys charge people for those services, right? So manje mase ngikunikezile mina umuntu ke wathi wena uzomclearishela into yakhe mase ungakwenzi ke sekuzoba sekuba ifault yami. Ngeke kehle. Unikhombisa ukuthi ngakanani. Shuse nina nizongibuka lana. Nampezi ngihleze ngibatshela ukuthi akuvumelekile. Umuntu ezethi ngicela unikeze bona ama leads, guys, I can't. Nanokuthi nyaba scam abantu mina. Nithi umuntu nizomlungisela into jike lapha ingalungi. Bese kuba ubani kona igama elibi mina. Kube yimina. Ngeke kehle. ngeke. Guys, niyasiboya stock esinaso la. Bese ngoba ningafuni ukuzothenga imoto, niyasiboya stock. Bese ngisule le camera. Can you guys see the stock we have? This is all the stock we have. These cars are all what? Brand new. Brand new Moda and J.Crew. Omoda and J.Crew. Brand new Omoda and J.Crew. Brand new Omoda and J.Crew. Brand new Omoda and J.Crew. Langihlalo khanya, okay? I-stock yinto esinayo la ekhaya. Asithethisi, asixoxisi, ngisiniyabo. Laba ke o pre-owned. These are pre-owned cars. Ayikho kodwa imoto ngicela ayikho imoto less than 159 la. Ngoba asidayisa amaskoro sidayisa imoto ezi-proper ezine mileage less than 60,000. Nazo. Bese kuthi ngale lapha ya kudayisa amabhaki ama-JAC. Those bakkies are all what? Brand new. Brand new. So ongakayithengi imoto angimazi ukuthi uhlaleleni ngoba i-credit score yakho i-right futhi no 7.5 after deductions uyawuhola imali futhi in fact uhola way more than 7.5. Ebese kuba omunye konebhizinisi ke ibhizinisi lakhe ke limenzela more than 100k ngenyanga kodwa akanayo imoto yokuthi edeliver ama customer kumele hleze request uzihluphekiselani ngicela ungitshele unginikeze nje answer yodwa ukuthi uzihluphekiselani ngoba phela into yenzayo i-wrong inkosami musukenza leyo nto ungavumi kuba stingy thani ungavumi bese kuba yilona ke ono cash uno cash. Can you please come and see how short this tripod is? Ngiyasawa ngisho ibeya phansi. This? Azasha mnandi. Okay. Angisiyayibona ke lento ekade ngiyisho ngale skirt awunayo yini eJetho eMakaboy? Sinayo iJetho. Khona kade ngipostile nje sidayise last week. Sinawo sithandwa sami amaJetho ukubo kwawo. We even have a branch ePortshepstone edayisa wona kuphela. So since we have a branch in Portshepstone, can I use your tripod? So what we do is if imoto ngingakhombisi la we have a lot of branches guys siyasebenzisana wena ngithi uyazazi ukuthi imoto ufuna ukuyithenga kubani kumina so mina mengikutshela ngithi nginayo iJetho sinayo ibranch eShepstone edayisa amaJetho angisho ukuthi wena sukuma uziyele eShepstone ngithi wena khuluma nami usho ukuthi Philasande ngifuna imoto kanje uPhilasande akulandela imoto akulethele we have amaJetho last week nje we delivered iJetho dashing eshinkingi ngithangwazi 5 sithombe la live but nje if you follow me and you look at my TikTok stories I posted a Jetho dashing last week we delivered one so sinawo darling guys ngisawulanda i-proper i-tripod proper because manje le ngathi umdlalo oh yeah it looks like okay let me just ngoba ngisahamba ngale let me show you guys the cars that we have siyahamba njalo la siyadlula uma ukuthi khona ukubonayo ukuthi hayibo umemeza uthi hayibo Nyabona ke lama JAC kade ngintshela ngawo nyabo Kumbele tripod thank you nyabona ke lama JAC nanka amabhakhi kanokusho guys. Nali yabona ke leli akulona ngisho likanokusho ngisho nokusho akafiki la. Kuleli this is the highest spec guys of JAC. This car is literally a dream come true, okay? Ayikho into lemoto engayenzi. Inama parking sensors, ino 360 camera, inama invading lights ngaphakathi, automatic, ine panoramic sunroof. Nje, oh konke kuphelele kuyona. JAC T9 Hunter. Ratsamaya. Kabafuna amabhakhi nawo amabhakhi. Ratsamaya. Sizoba ne-Suzuki Grand Vitara. We have your Hyundai Creta. Siyadlula ngithi. Ngithema khona into interestayo. Ungathuli. Nayi ini Toyota Corolla Cross. Nasi i-Starlet Cross. Khona usisobethu ufuna ukutrader inathenga i-Starlet Cross. Nasi mama, Starlet Cross XS. Nayi Audi Q2. Nayi Omoda C5 Street. But guys, nayi Suzuki Desire, nayi Kia Pegasus, Polo TSI, Hyundai i20, Venue, Triber, Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro, Creta, Grand i10. Nayi Grand i10, I hope niyayibona. Sesibuyile. Bathi la bathi zena bakhethi. Wo eish. Hyundai i20, yes. Ngintshele guys nina ningithembi. Ngitshelile nje ukuthi ayikho imoto enginganayo. Ngithe ayikho engekho. Uma uyifuna khuluma nami. Hawu manje lento sihlele kanje. Uma uyifuna khuluma nami mina ngizokunikeza imoto. I don't have a specific brand that I sell. I sell all brands. Angisinibonile la mnyango khonani? Khona ama-Omoda nama-JQ, ne-Jeep, ne-Kwid, ne-Polo la mnyango. Bese ngaphakathi kube khona ama-JAC, amabhakhi, kube khona iSuzu, oSuzuki, yonke into kuchithekile. Ngesinye izinto enjoy. So wena ngoba uyazazi ukuthi imoto uyayifuna. Phothuma uthathe inamba yami 071 0066 001. Usende i-ID, usende i-license, usende i-bank statement ya 6 months, usende i-payslip akho ka 3 months. Uthi phila Sunday nakho ngifuna uku-applyela le moto, ngifuna le moto. If ukuthi you're not sure which car you're looking for, khona guys ukuthi umuntu akanayo isho nayo ukuthi ufuna yiphi imoto, but mhlambe let's say uzochaza ukuthi ngifuna imoto engizosebenza ngayo, ngifuna imoto engiqala ngayo Uber, i-budget yami 4.5 to 5,000. Bese ngiyakusuggestela ke ukuthi okay, nazi imoto esinazo according to your budget. And then we are sure ukuthi oh hayi shame ngiyayithanda nami le moto ngiyayidinga. Or unsho ukuthi ke I know asizamini enye. Mangiqala ukhanya sinazo zonke imoto guys. We have a Toyota Vitz, we have a Grand i10. Those are our entry level cars. We also have a Kwid, we also have a Tata Tiggo. Entry level cars, which means ukhokha imali eqala ku 4,000. Ungakhokha nje no 4,000. Ngangengilunge bathi kubo makoti. Ngicela nginikhombisile konje ama air skirt. Ngangengilunge. It was never gonna look. Was never gonna long. It was never gonna long. It was never gonna be okay. It was never gonna be right. Thank you to those who just joined. If you are new here, my name is Philasande Ncamo. I am a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. We are located opposite McDonald's in Fort Road, 20 Soldiers Way. Any Toyota 5? Which Toyota 5? specify. Guys, if you're looking for a car, like just to avoid confusion from the both of us, isho kahle imoto like usho ukuthi ngifuna iLegend 50 extra cab kanjalo yabo, so that now I can have proper information with okay, this is the car you're looking for and this is what you want. Same as a Quantum. No, we don't sell a Quantum, guys. There's a Quantum like higher. We only sell bakkies. We sell bakkies and we sell the only bus we have. Yabo mini bus is a Staria. We don't have the H1. We don't have the latest Toyota Yaris. Sorry, unfortunately. It's Toyota Engnara. It's a Toyota Corolla Cross XR PHEV. Ngawe guys, sofa jackets band. I come back. To those who just joined and are just seeing me now that I'm putting on my jacket. Hi, igama lami nguPhilasande Ngwakancamo. Ngidayisa imoto halfway at Durban Central. However, morning I'm driving an Omoda C5 Luxury. I bought it in last year. Can I trade it in for a C9? Definitely, you can definitely do that, mama. Just take my number and we can sort out your trade-in. We will also sort out your application for a C9. Guys, as long as imoto ingekho ndala kakhulu, trader in is very possible, but you can't trade any moto yango 2013 yabonke kanjalo. So usisi, since I drive Omoda C5 Luxury, sefuna C9, she can definitely do that. I think oh, it's been sold. There's also another lady who traded in there's a lady who traded in a C5 Street for a C9 white hole. Khona nomunye traded in EC5 for a J-Cool. So I'm gonna trade in siyawenza nje guys, as long as your car is in good condition. Man's evaluation, everything is proper. Just take my number and contact me. Philasande, I'm looking to buy a car. This is my budget. Funa utrader in I'm trader in like asishintshana mazokunuwona no wena unika unsika, because wow. Whoa. Yeah, so you're more than welcome to do so. Installments. Which C9 are you looking for? There's 3 different C9s. There's the C9, the normal one. There's the C9 PHEV. There's the C9, the one that's R1,000,000. Okay. So when I get my sendela ma documents akho uzokuchaza ukuthi ufuna yipi i-C9. Now, guys, if you're doing a trade-in, this is what you need to know. Like, be 100% aware. Your car is going to go for valuation and your car is going to go for pricing. There's a possibility that when your car comes back for pricing, you either have a shortfall or you have an extra. If you have an extra amount, that's good for you when you decide what you want to do with that amount. If you have a shortfall, obviously your shortfall has to be added to the total of the new car that you're purchasing, which may result in you having a higher installments than umuntu who's just buying the car gradually, you know. So mina as a salesperson angikwazi ukunikeza guarantee ukuthi uzokhokha imali engaka. But once you process an application for you, we get feedback. That is the only time I can tell you how much you're gonna pay, you know. So in order to qualify for a car, you need to have a credit score of 611. You need to have a good credit profile, guys. I cannot emphasize this more than enough. You need to have a good credit profile. By saying you need to have a good credit profile, I mean you need not to be blacklisted. Like, you mustn't have been blacklisted before. You mustn't be under debt review. You mustn't have missing payments on your accounts. You mustn't have accounts in arrears. So make sure that you pay for your accounts in time. You sort out your accounts. Like, if you have an account of 5, and to save yourself, make sure ukuthi lawo ma account uwakhokela before kushaya isikhathi, yabo. For example, let's say your payments are due on the 1st of every month. Khokha wena nge-8 noma nge-31, kuyadepend ukuthi inyanga iphela ngomhla kaba, ukuze wenzeni ukhuphule ne-credit score yakho, wenze sure futhi nokuthi makwenzekile wakhohlwa nge-1 usafe. Because guys, missing a payment is a big thing when it comes to a credit profile. It's a very big thing. Hi babe, which car can I get? My budget is 5k. You can get a Grand i10, you can get a Toyota Vitz, you can get a Quid, you can also get a Kia Pegasus. You can get quite a few cars. You can get quite a few. Sisiphila sande unjani? Ngiyaphila sando sam unjani? Waze wangithemba. What is that? Noma uthi ngiyakuthemba. Awukuthi ngiyakuthemba ke ngicela uyithenge ngempela imoto. Guys, I hope nibonile imoto zikuma special. Zikuma special kuyanyiwe akuma special. Ama imoto ehlisiwe akhokhelwa 4,000 ngenyanga. Yes, usisothe budget yakho 5k, you can also get that Omoda. This one. That's an Omoda C5 Street and it's currently on discounted. Monthly installment yakona is gonna be from 4,000 rands. So can you imagine how much of a bargain that is? Double. Ungavumi ungavumi yazi lo culo guys. Can I come and buy can I come and I don't understand. Engathi I don't understand your assignment. So ke guys, umoda bani. Your credit score is 648. You can buy an Omoda C5 Streets. This is the Omoda C5 Streets, that one. And then Omoda C5 Style. Those are the two Omodas that are less than 5k. Manje ngoba kune discount. But on a normal basis, they're not less than 5k. And you need to be a good scoring customer. If ukuthi nje credit score yakho ayikho right, obviously ngeke uzithole imoto ngaleyo mali, guys. Can you buy a car if you live and work overseas? Definitely you can, as long as you have a South African bank account. Yes, as long as you have a South African bank account, my darling, you can definitely buy a car. Because that's what we want to see. We want to see income. That's why I always say, even umuntu self-employed, guys, if you're self-employed, you can definitely buy a car using e-vehicle finance, of which uthenga ngebank. You can do that as long as kukhona nje into ekhombisayo ukuthi kunemali engenayo kwi-account yakho and ingena consistently, like every month mhlawumbe you make more than 15k, obvious ungayithenga imoto. But uma like njengokuthi mhlawumbe une-girlfriend allowance noma une-wife allowance, my chances are very low because it's not guaranteed ukuthi you are always gonna be getting that money, unlike umuntu one business lakhe. Okay, yabona enjoy. So wena ke if ukuthi uyayithola leyo girlfriend allowance mhlawumbe ka 15k, yenza ke phela nawe something yabo la eceleni, yabo simayingena leyo kusizo simayingena leyo nto leyo mpahla nawe kunempahla ngaleyo kumpahlaza yokuthi ya nayi impahla ngimpahlazayo. Yangeza guys, but honestly umuntu self-employed guys siyakwazi ukumsiza athola imoto, whether ufuna vehicle finance, whether ufuna uthenga ngocash. If uthi ufuna uthenga imoto cash, credit score ayidingeki bathandisithandwa zami. Ungavumi i-credit score ayidingeki. If ufuna uthenga imoto cash, you don't need a credit score at all. Umuntu ofuna uthenga imoto cash usuke efana nomuntu nje ofika la e-dealership ngikhombe ngesibhamu kanje, angikhombe ngesibhamu kanje, asingifuna imoto because I ngizothini Nkosi yami ngizothini because mothenga imoto cash you just need your ID, you just need your license, and you need to send me proof of payment ukuthi nayi payment sengiyenzile. You get your car same time. In fact, everybody gets their car same time. If we file an application for you now, it gets approved now. You can get your car before the end of day. Like that's how fast it is to get a car. Yiyiphi cheap kunazo zonke? Ngizoyilanda kusasa. Ngazi wena-ke mina mfana wami Nicole. Ngazi wena. Oza phethe ulanda i10 phethe uphume ekhulumeni yabo. Belulanda i10. Uphume phethe ekhulumeni. Yo guys, yabona lobuhlu lento ade ngisho ukuthi ngiphethe izolo isiyabuya manje ngaze ngasenkingeni. Uyafana ke kodwa no Jacinta. Hayibo. I'm scared my shortfall will be high and I'm scratches and dents. Awufike mfethu, awufike dealership sikucheckele thina. Mhlawumbe lawo ma scratches and dents akho they're not that bad. NP 200 it's 359,990. Blacklisted. I can't assist anyone who's blacklisted unless if you want to buy the car cash. I'm coming back.
Because they buy more than a sport. Every seller is more than a bike.
She's back. How guys ngithi ngizobuya nje sekhona inqwaba yembuzi. Navele nangiziba ke. Usebenzela kuphi? I work in Durban Central, darling. Durban Central, KwaZulu Natal, Durban Central. But if kukuthi awukwazi sesizwe nezindaba. Izindaba zani? Kwenza ngaleni? Haba ma Ngitshenani? I work in Durban Central, darling, but I do deliveries all over South Africa. As long as you want to buy a car from me and you are in South Africa, you want to buy a car and you are in South Africa, you come to buy a car from me and I deliver the car to you. It's as simple as that. As long as you are in South Africa. If you are in South Africa, I deliver for you. Or I book a flight for you to come to fetch it here in Durban. It's up to you which one you want. Or I deliver it at your home, or you tell me you want me to deliver it at the nearest dealership. Uhola 7,000 ingathola yipi? Minimum requirement here like higher yomholo, it needs to be 7.5 after deductions. If you are earning less than 7.5, you need to have a second source of income. Like let's say you hold 6,000 and then you also have business like eceleni elingenisela imali. Mhlambe ke sesingakusiza ke wena kungafanele sibuke ukuthi business lakho lingenisela imali engakanani uzo afford yini ukukhokhela imoto ngaleyo mali. Wanhlalo khanya. Can you help me? I'm in Johannesburg. Yes, I can definitely help you. My number is 071-006-6001. I can definitely help you. Guys, I'm serious when I say we do deliveries all over. Just last month we did delivery eLimpopo for Toyota Vitz. We're also delivering a Grand i10 to Mpumalanga this weekend. Yes, I went to deliver. We do deliver everywhere. If you work overseas and maybe you want to buy a car for your mom or anyone or even a car for yourself, you need to have at least a South African. Niyabona ukuthi la emsebenzini sinama-hater. Enye yama-hater ami ke le. I-hater.
My hate. Take your words back.
I didn't say it's you. I said emsebenzini nginama-hates but
Uba.
angisho ngithi wena. Ubani i-hater? Madleke. Madleke i-hater. Madleke. Yes. Cape Town in a 10,000 year deposit. Yes, take my number and contact me. Take my number, contact me and tell me which car you're looking for. NP200, how much is the installment? It's plus or minus 5.5. Plus or minus 5.5. Just take my number. Take my number and tell me which car you're looking for. If you're earning above 7.5, guys, take my number, tell me which car you're looking for, or tell me how much is your budget for monthly installments, and then I can definitely assist you. Self-employed 15k, what can I get? 620. You can get anything. You can get anything. Anything less than 6,000 for monthly installments. So you can get an Omoda, you can also get a Jetor, you can also get VW, whichever car you want. Just tell me when budget yako for monthly installments. It's okay. My budget, let's say it's 5,000, and then only then I can give you like specific cars that I know for sure they're not gonna be over 5,000 rands. 10,000 year deposit. Yes. Take my number, Sino. Take my number and tell me which car you're looking for. They often will keep it a low deposit. Where are you based? I'm based in KwaZulu-Natal, Durban. Yes, Lungi, I just saw your message, right? Nisani, I just saw your message. I will definitely get back to you as soon as I finish this live. Everyone who sent me a message on WhatsApp, guys, ngizonisiza mangiqeda nje kulo live. Isizani. Where are you based? I'm based in Durban Central, KwaZulu-Natal. However, I do deliveries all over South Africa. If you're in Limpopo, you're in the Northwest, you're in Gauteng, you're in Eastern Cape, mina ngizokusiza uthole imoto yakho. I will deliver your car for you and you will be happy, you know, with the service you got. Unless if you've got a trade-in. If you've got a trade-in, guys, you need to find a way to come to the dealership one way or the other. Ngoba phela ngithi your car needs to we need to do a valuation on your car in order to see what is your price amalini before we can even give you the price of the car. Mia babes, ngidinga EJAC. I'm self-employed. How much do I need to make on my business monthly? Udinga iphi JAC? Qala siqale siboneni lapho khona ngizobona ukuthi udinga iphi JAC. So I need to know ukuthi for monthly installments uzokhokha plus or minus malini, because phela ama JAC awafani. Nine Ford Ranger, guys. How fun Ford Ranger? 9. Shoo. That's dull. So you need to tell me ukuthi, or you want a T9. If you want a T9 in Super Lux, or you want a T9 in Hunter, but mina ngingasho ukuthi i-T9 is Super Lux, i-monthly installment yakhona it's around 10.5, you know. So if Super Lux around lapho, so when per month as umuntu or self-employed, you need to be making at least what's going on? Oh, sorry guys, I just needed to thingy. You need to be making at least 25k a month if you are self-employed. If you are self-employed, you're looking for a JAC, I need you to make at least 25k a month. ET9, you deliver in Cape Town. Yes, I deliver everywhere. I deliver everywhere. As long as nje use South Africa, ngisho ngathiwa use Northwest, ngisho ngathiwa use Thohoyandou. As long as you are where in South Africa. Just take my number, send me a WhatsApp, and we will talk. Please give me a second, guys. Cedric! Your Moana is back. Guys, ningixolele ngisuke ngagqoba umlomo wami uyashesha koma. Hey guys, so those who just joined my live while I wasn't here, my name is Philasande Ncamu. We are here on my live. We are talking all things cars. I am a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. We are a licensed dealership that sells pre-owned cars, brand new cars, demos. We also do trade-ins. We sell all brand cars, okay? That's it, my puppies. My number is 071 006. Wait.
448. Hey, no, it's 4. You did actually. Momentarily, you 460.
Alrighty, let me see if I missed Jeto High. I'm looking at how much. Eh? Jeto High, how much installments? Not modern. Which Jeto? Please tell me which Jeto you're looking for, so I can give you the correct price. Because there are different Jetos, just like an Omoda. There's a C5 Street, there's a C5 Style, there's a C5 Elegance. You know, all those types. So I need you to be straight and tell me this is the Jeto I'm looking for, so I can give you the exact price. Go mina ngizotshela ukuthi like ufuna the highest spec. Mhlambe uthi ufuna Omoda. Yabo? Uthi ufuna Omoda. Mina ngikujust Omoda 1 million. Kanti hayi mase ngikhuluma ngale 1 million. C9 kanti wena usifunela nje C5. I-C5 ayisiwona phela 1 million. Enhlalukanya. Hi Sisi, how much is the Suzuki Fronx pre-owned? 359,990. VVT deposits of 24,000. Ngayithola with a canopy. You can get it. You can get it, guys. I need you. I think maybe we need to understand the concept of a deposit more. A deposit, if you say you have a deposit, it doesn't guarantee that you're gonna get the car, but it also doesn't mean you're not gonna get a car. A deposit, it's basically two ways. There's a deposit edingakalayo, which is Apple. Mali yami yokugcina.
In Apple Pay.
Yo, guys, ngiyalashiselwa. Yo, ayikho indlela yokuthi sibuyele kuma Android. Yo. What the hell? Okay, bengisachaza indaba ye-deposit. I-deposit ikabili, guys. There's a deposit that is a need, there's a deposit that is a choice. So firstly, let's say you want to buy a car at 350,000 ufuna uthenga vehicle finance. Ibank lisho ukuthi they can give you the car, but they're not going to pay full price for you. Maybe that's when you need to add 20,000. That deposit doesn't do anything to your monthly. Deposit doesn't do anything to your monthly installments. It's just the bank requested for the deposit. And then there's a deposit that you offer. Say the car is 359,000, you get everything done, and then you say when you keep a deposit 100,000. Leo deposit is okusiza ngokwehlisa ini ama monthly installments akho. However amount you choose uyifaka iyanciphisa ama installments akho kancane kancane. As long as kungasiyona le requested, iyakusiza inciphisa ama monthly installments akho kancane kancane. Hope I'm right. How much is the C5 Street installments? Currently, we have a special Black Friday sale, so monthly installments for East Street iqala ku 4,000. As long as you have a good credit score, iqala ku 4,000. Kui Black Friday, okay? Black Friday. Monthly is Suzuki. It's 359, right? So monthly, you're looking at plus or minus 6,000. Which iPhone do you use? I use an iPhone 11. Ngiyabonga mfethu. Guys, it deposits. Queen B ubuza ukuthi how much can she deposit? It deposits, guys. It's totally up to you. As I just explained, it deposits. It's either the bank needs it. That one is compulsory. If the bank says, okay, we're giving you the car, but we also want a deposit of this amount, that one is compulsory. However, if the bank doesn't request for it, it's up to you. It's your choice how much you want to pay. If you want to push forward 50,000 rand, it's going to help you with installments, obvious. If you want to push forward 100,000, it's like that. It's totally up to you. Window tinting. We do have a workshop, La Pesance, where we do everything that a car needs. Thank you so much. Guys, please take my number. Please take my number and if you want to buy a car, take my number, send me a message on WhatsApp. Tell me which car you're looking for. Tell me what you do, whether you're working or you're self-employed or you want to apply using your company. You can also do that. You can also apply using your company details. If umuntu onenkampani mhlawumbe wenza amathenda noma wenzani, uyabona ukuthi igama lakho wena personal alikho right, but le nkampani yakho li right, qhubeka ngekhampani. I20. It's 249,990. 249,990. How old are you? You look young. Cocomelon of the company. Ozala, Bolo. How? Cocomelon of the company just left. I'm not the Cocomelon. I'll show you guys. Do you allow test driving? Yes, we do allow test driving. You do. I'm coming to buy it. Take my number, send me a message on WhatsApp. Grand i10, how much and how much installments we're looking for a month? Grand i10, brand new 2025, 1.0 motion, 224,990. Monthly installments 4.5. Plus or minus 4.5. That's a Grand i10. Bolo Zala. Ozalana. Oza. Now guys, Cocomelon of the company.
Oh, you don't.
But that's mina. Guys, now
Checking
Cocomelon.
No, Angel. Ukuthi ngeke uyibone ke bona no mama ngibona mona amehlo enzono ngeke uyibone unamehlo mona nje kumele ungayibheki ngestress lena kodwa ikhona
Uzalwa ngamagonyana 2007 guys.
check hayi bukahleli
Now Cocomelon guys. Cherry Tiggo, which one? Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro or Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro? Which one? Please accept my message. I'll need more details. Please send me a message on WhatsApp. Yeah, please send me a message on WhatsApp so we can make things easier. My number is, my number is 071-006-6001. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Yeah. But if you send it here on TikTok, I will also definitely see it. Cheapest Polo, you have cash. Nalia. Oh, none. That is a demo. Currently, it's a demo. If you guys know what a demo is, if you don't know, you're more than welcome to ask me. I will explain. That is a demo. It's going for 239,990. Wipes. No, you don't pay to do a test drive. You don't pay. $613 credit score can work. Yes, it can work. Our minimum requirement is 611. So it doesn't talk to much. I'm back njengomhlane. Cindy, please send me a message on WhatsApp so I can give you the actual price. I need to check on our database because we don't have one here. What is a demo? A demo is a car that the company uses to demonstrate. Okay? So basically, I don't think there's any demo that's parked here besides that one. Normally, they have imbalo la emaceleni to say, okay, this is halfway Durban Central, Omoda and Jeku, Durban Central, stuff like that. It's basically a car that the company uses. It's used by the company. It's a brand new car. So when you buy that car, you're going to be the first owner of the car. It's unlike a pre-owned car. It's a brand new car. It's just that the company is using it to demonstrate. That is a demo. Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro Cross. How much? Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro that we have currently is 350,000. So you're looking at plus or minus 6.5 per month. 620 score and I earn 10,000. You are perfect. take my number and send me a message on WhatsApp. I said, my qualifying criteria, guys, you need to be earning 7.5 after deductions, and you need to have a credit score of 611. No Mappy, if you pay cash for which car, darling? My credit score is 630 and I earn 30k. I want a Suzuki Fronx. Yes, we do have a Suzuki Fronx there. Nah. That's a Suzuki Fronx. It's going for 359,990. So when I say take my number and send me your documents, you definitely qualify to get that car. Your credit score is 630. Perfect. All these pre-owned cars? No, these are pre-owned cars. These are brand new cars. Okay, as I told you guys, we are a licensed dealership. So Motegi Motor, you have the right to say, Pila Sunday, I'm looking for a brand new car, I'm looking for a demo, or I'm looking for a pre-owned. Yes, you need to say, specify, I'm looking for a demo, I'm looking for a pre-owned, I'm looking for this. But some pre-owned, that's what I say. They're very affordable. Also, they never have a mileage that is more than 70,000 kilometers. Okay, otherwise pelagi. How do I check for credit score? You check. We are going to check out Capitec. If you use Capitec, you can check. You can also use Clear Score as a guidance. It's not accurate, but you can use it as a guidance. So for example, Clear Score mawuthi mhlawumbe une credit score ka 700, wena cabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe credit score yakhe 670. Yabo into kanjalo. It's a guidance. It's not accurate, it's a guidance. Polo Vivo, the one that is there outside, 239,990. Since you said I pay 4.5 for or less for Grand i10, if you include it. No, not including tracker, not including insurance. Insurance differs, guys, from person to person. It depends on how long you've had your driver's license. It depends on if you've never crashed a car before. It has a lot of T's and C's. So mina ngingakhokha u500 for insurance yami, but wena ukhokha 1,000, yabo? Different people, even if we have the same car. Guys, please don't forget, take my number, send me a message on WhatsApp. Those who have already inquired on WhatsApp, I see your messages. Thank you so much, guys. I will definitely get back to you guys once I finish this live. Hi sis, which double cab can I get for 600k? Okay, Chef Sane, what type of double cab are you looking for? Are you looking for a double cab that's for personal use, or are you looking for a double cab or uzosebenzisa for umsebenzi? Because sinayo iSuzu a double cab, that one is usually used for umsebenzi. We also have a JAC T9 Superlux a double cab. Layer you can use for personal use, you can use it as your personal car. I wouldn't recommend ukuyisebenzisa for umsebenzi ngoba phela isa styleni kodwa phela ungayisebenzisa kodwa phela ngizwa nathi ngithini. Yayizi conversation yami, you understand my assignment. Ileyo nto engizama ukuyichaza ukuthi sinawo ama double cab. Khona i double cab yaka iSuzu, khona i double cab yaka Toyota, bese bakhona i double cab yaka JAC. So usually for abantu last week we have abanyusisi nje abasebenza construction, they bought a double cab yaka iSuzu basho ukuthi bayifunela ini ukusebenza. So ingakho kubalekile ukuthi umuntu ngimbuzisise kahle ukuthi ufuna i double cab yokusebenza noma ufuna i double cab yokuthi nje kube imoto yakho. Installments for Omoda C5. Omoda C5 E-Street is currently on special for Black Friday. It's 4,000 going up, but you need to have a good credit score. You are so beautiful. Hey, which Zipelele is this? Thank you, Zipelele. Personal use, we have a JAC. Is your combis. Where you can zopelelwa ibattery. Askijimen on your combis ayaz. Skijimen. Mulefe, don't run. Ifanya mi too. Nawa. Ifanya mi too. Esane. Now, this is a JAC. It's a T9, as you can see. 9. leather seats, everything is here. Parking sensors, assisting braking, everything. Nayo ngayithola for 600k. It's this one is less than 600k. Nayi enye less than 600k. Nayi enye less than 600k. Bese kuzoba ke uNkulunkulu wemihlola. This one is 684. Yes, this is the highest level of JSC iHunter le. Guys, asibelene endaweni yethu ibhejami izophela. Do you have a demo for Jeto? Yes, we do have a demo for Jeto. Take my number, I'll send you pictures. You tell me which you need to tell me which one you want. Which Jeto dashing, Jeto. Which one? How much is the i10 installment? It's plus or minus 4.5k. Siyabonga ubuze installment sayiphi imoto. 1%. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo! We made it. We made it, guys. Okay, just sihlala phansi manje. JAC. Yiphi iJAC? Ngizonishaya nina ngoba anilaleli. Nginitshelile ukuthi imoto nemoto ine type. So mina lapha nginvezele nginvezele iJAC iT9 nganvezela iT9 Hunter. So iT9, the normal one, your installment is plus or minus 10.5, okay? T9 Superlux double cab plus or minus 10.5. T9 Hunter plus or minus 11.5. Are you looking for credit score or what? Kanjani, I'm looking for people who want to buy cars. If you're looking to buy a car, take my number. Twin cap le oyiveze okokugcina. Man, guys, man. Just give me a second. Twin cap le engiveze okugcina. That was a JAC eHunter, the highest spec of a JAC. It has all the features. I'm gonna post it on my page. I'm gonna post it on my page. It's going for 687,990. So if that car is 687,990, you're looking at paying plus or minus 12k. 11.5 to 12k. You need to have a super good credit score to get a super good installment. I always tell people that installment plays a huge role. Credit score plays a huge role ukuthi uthola i-installment kamalini niyozayithandwa zami. So kubalekile nje enza sure your credit score is always good. You have a good credit profile. Ubalekele ukungakhokhi ngesikhathi. Kubalekele ukungakhokhi ngesikhathi ngoba ukungakhokhi ngesikhathi kuyalimaza igama lakho. Uzothi mawusufunela abantwana bakhe imoto awusakwazi ukuthola imoto ngani ngoba ama-account awakhokheli ngesikhathi. Yabo nje once kwabhalwa lapha ukuthi missing payments awubusayithola leyo moto. Ngisho ngathi uyayi-afforda. Cabanga into enjani leyo. Ufuna ususa lento emhlophe la. Angiyazi ukuthi idalwa yini. Done. Oh, yabona ke mase ngihleli phansi sengiyakhathala ngasibeka umnandi simile ngale ema-app. Manje inkinga ibhedge angisenayo. Ibhedge angisenayo. So I need to charge. Guys, to those who are looking for imoto encane, uthi ufuna imoto encane yokusebenza ozoyifaka ku-Uber, imoto sinazo thina la ekhaya. Ayikho imoto singenayo ngixoxele. Ayikho nje. Ongathi wakwafuna imoto ngathi mina ayikho. Unless if ke nawe uzongifuna imoto endala. That's why ngisho ukuthi ama pre-owned la ekhaya, ama pre-owned asezingeni. If you want a pre-owned car, you can get it. If you want a brand new car, we have it. If you want to buy a demo, we have it. Yabo kulaba abafuna imoto encane nje zokuqala uber nawo ama Kia Pegas akhona, nawo ama Suzuki Desire akhona. nawo ama-I-20 akhona laphayana, nawo ama-venue akhona. Guys, angazi ukuthi sengizoze ngithini kunini. Angazi ukuthi sengizoze ngithini. Sengilungisile ngavula nama-account manje wonke athi on track but iscore sikhula kancane ku-1%. Yazi yenze njani-ke sithandwa? Khokhela ama-account akho before kushaye isikhathi sokukhokha. Yayizwa lento engishoyo? So uma kuwukuthi mhlambe wena kwathiwa khokha ngomhla ka-1, khokha ngomhla ka-30 wena. Khokha ngomhla ka-30 konke ama-account out. Pay a day before your actual due date. And if kuwukuthi imoto yinto oyidinga ngokukhulu ukuphazima kweso, you need to grow your credit score rapidly, get a credit card from a bank. If you're using Capitec, get their credit card. I think Capitec also has a credit card now. If you're using FNB, get a credit card. Ukuyisebenzisa kwakho leyo credit card, make sure ukuthi miss it, not even a single payment, nanokuthi you don't use the whole amount. So if you get a credit card mhlawumbe uthole no 10k, sebenzisa wena u7k uyibuyisele yonke leyo mali ngesikhathi. Leyo nto izokusiza ukukhulisa i-credit score yakho if ukuthi imoto usuyijahile. But if ukuthi nje ufuna ukukhulisa i-credit score yakho normally, pay before time. Don't miss any payments, don't have any accounting arrears. Just do everything properly. Demo cars are which one? A demo is a car that the company buys for personal use. For example, ukubone nawe for sure emgaqweni imoto ebhaliwe ukuthi halfway Durban Central, noma ebhaliwe ukuthi Mercedes Umhlanga, yabo imoto kanjalo. Those are what we call ama-demo. It's a car the company uses to demonstrate isebenziswa istaff. So that car is brand new. Umuntu osuke ethenga a brand new car, not a pre-owned car. That car is brand new, and most of the time it has a very low mileage because it's used locally by abasebenzi bala company. 648 credit score, that's perfect. My minimum requirements for credit score is 611. So once you have 648, you are perfect and you would get a very good installment in whichever car you're looking for. Liu Malini I-20, 249, 990. You're looking beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, so just take my number. Don't take my number, just take my number. Awusuhlangana ku WhatsApp. Take my number, buy your car, I deliver your car. Sikwenzela celebration la dealership. Have you guys seen how alive our celebrations are like dealership? So now I'm sure ungakujabulela nje ukureceive imoto yakho ngaleya energy. Sisicela ukuze pre-owned your Grand i10 imali 199,990, which means installment yakho izoqala ku 4,000 kuya ku 4.5 depending on how good your credit score is. So if ngoba mina ngitesting 611 and when i-credit score yakho mhlambe u640 something, ungawukhokha ngisho 4.2. Ngiyibuyisele yonke kanjani ngithatha 7k. Baby yo, angisakhumbula ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Let me just check if you had a previous question that I answered. Ngathi uyibuyisele. Cela ungichazela kabusha sithanda sami. I-pre-owned inayo in balloon payment. Guys, I think you guys don't have an understanding of i-balloon payment and senginotisile lento. Umbuzo kaNombuso uthi i-pre-owned inayo yini i-balloon payment? Guys, i-balloon payment iyi-choice yakho. So wena mawuthenga imoto, mina ngikunikeza i-deal ene-balloon payment, uvumelekile ukusho ukuthi awuyifuni. Noma if utsend into zakho usho ukuthi phela Sunday, if my deal gets approved, ngiyayibonga i-balloon, you're more than welcome to do that because i-balloon payment is not compulsory. Balloon payment actually isiza ngokwehlisa installment yakho. However, lokho nje yakhona ukuthi you're gonna pay for an extended time, but that is also up to you because mawusuphela lo 72 months period yakho, you can either choose to pay cash lo balloon obuseceleni noma ucele bekwenza lenye imanya installment for 2 years. But i-balloon payment actually into ophoqiwe ukuthi uyenze, it's a choice. Uyakwazi nje ukusho ukuthi cha ngiyayibonga mina udile ne-balloon payment. So what happens if you're working and you don't have a credit score? You see, the purpose of a credit score is is for the bank to have a proof ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhokhela ama-account akho, like uma unesikweletu uyakwazi ukusikhokhela. So if unganayo kuyaye kube nzimanyana yabo. So I would advise you, mina, if you're looking to buying a car in future, lungisa indaba zakho ze-credit score. Credit score ikhuliswa izinto nje ey'ncane. If you've ever taken a loan, then you definitely have a credit score. If you've ever into ekanjalo nje. So open an account, noma account eyodwa uyisebenzise nje just for ukuthi ukhulise kube negama elihle. Ngisho i-credit card ngisho ungize uthi akumele. It's up to you, babe. It's up to you. But mina, that's the advice I would give you. Ukuthi okay, vele credit card ubungayidinga ngithi uthathela ukuthi ufuna ukunyusa credit score yakho. So ukuze ube safe, ngoba uma usebenzise wonke u10k, what if ngenyanga elandelayo awusenayo amandla ukukhokhela wonke lo 10k, ngithi seliyaqala igama lakho liyalimala. So wena sebenzisa u7 ukuze noma kungathiwa kwenzakalani, lo 3 okhona ukulondoloze, ukhombisa ukuthi leli card akaqedi ukusebenza. Because once laqeda ukusebenzisa ilimit yalo kumele uqale wenzeni ukhokhe. So mina suggestion yami ithi ungayiqedi limit yecard lakho, sebenzisa, ungayiqedi limit ukhokhe. Sebenzisa, ungafiki kwilimit ukhokhe. Leyo nto izokusiza ukuthi ukhulise igama lakho. I hope I'm making sense. Business owners' requirements. If you're a business owner and you're looking to buy a car using your business, because you could be a business owner but you want to use your own documents, and you could be a business owner and you want to use the business's documents. So let's say you want to use the business to buy your car. You need to make sure that you have a CK document. A CK document is the document that you get when you're registering your business. You need to have all the personal details of the directors of the company. So let's say you have a business and you have 2 directors. Both directors need to submit their IDs. Both directors need to submit their details. So if one of the business owners has a bad credit score, that thing already affects the business. So make sure ukuthi lapho ke niyabonisana. If you're the only business owner, that's perfect. So ungisendele second document, ungisendele i-ID yakho, ungisendele ini ama bank statement ka 6 months. Ukhokha in installments for a credit card. Anginalo ulwazi olukhulu bandle nge-credit card. I've never had one, but I just know ukuthi iyasiza nje for news installment. If you're using your own documents, then you just send me your ID, your license, and 6 months bank statement. Show you ukuthi nayo imali engenayo. So here's my number. My number is 071-006-6001. You need to have a good credit score. Your credit score needs to be starting at least 611, and then you need to have send me your ID, send me your license, send me your banking documents. I'm earning 8k, but I don't have a license. Can I put my brother in the car? He has a license. That's a bit of a trick. We do sell cars to people who don't have a license, ne? And we have 2 options. So since when you're earning 8k, you're already out for the first option, because the first bank that allows umuntu uthatha imoto enganayo license needs umuntu ohola imali engango 12.5, you know. So since you earn 8k, you're gonna fall under any bank. So usually bona nominated driver yakho bafuna kube either umzali wakho or umuntu oshade naye noma ingane yakho. That's what they want, and you guys need to have isibongo esifanayo, unless if kumzali obvious like yabo. But siyakwazi phela nathi ukuyitshukutsha sichithe if you guys like nizalanela bude bese ubhuti wakho omdala kakhulu kunawe, singasho ukuthi ayibona umzali wakhe iphuma imoto into kanjalo. Hello Sipho. Mthoko bani manje Sipho? Homestays is Sipho. Yeah, so that's the story, guys. If you don't have a license, you can buy a car. You can definitely buy a car, but you need to have a nominated driver. Guys, I'm opening the platform for questions. If you want to ask questions now. laba bangisendela ama-message WhatsApp angenikhohliwe zithandwa zami. I'm gonna get back to you guys now as soon as nje ngicima lo live. Zocima ngo-45. Those who have just joined, we are having a party. Ngiyadlala guys. Igama lami nguPhilasani Ncamo, ngisebenza e-Halfway eDurban Central. Ngidayisa imoto engizidayisayo ama-pre-owned cars, ama-brand new cars, ama-demo, ngiphinde ngenza ne-trade-in. Ukusebenza kwami eThekwini-ke akungivimbi ukuthi ngidayisele umuntu oseGoli. As long as use-South Africa nje kukhona imoto efunayo kumina, you can definitely purchase that car and I do a delivery for you. You have a choice. I can deliver the car for you kini noma ngikuhambisele at any of our nearest branches wherever you are. Guys, until walk my brands, all the brands. You're looking for a Polo, I have a Polo. You're looking for a JAC, you want a Baki, I have a Baki. You're looking for a Isuzu Toyota Hilux, I have it. You're looking for a Jetour, I have it. You're looking for a brand new Omoda, I have it. And guys, especially I'm Omoda this month for a Black Friday. I got 4,000 month installment. So if you create score a blind. Yeah, it's only almost on 4,000. Abangayo ngoba entry level omoda, entry level C5 streets. It's usually 5,000 monthly installments. So this Black Friday there's a special and it's going for 4,000. Omoda, yeah, Omoda C5. It says Omoda C5, the entry level Omoda. 4,000 rands if you have a good credit score this Black Friday. Guys, it's Nishi again because nobody's asking any questions. It's delay. I will see you guys. Ngizonibona guys, ngisayophendula laba abaku WhatsApp. 4,000 installment, yes. If you go on my page, uzobona all the deals I have for you guys there for this Black Friday. We also have deals such as when you buy a JAC now, you're only gonna start paying your installments in February. We have a lot of deals for this Black Friday. Owakho nje ukuthi uhlale page lami. That's all you need to do. Ngazi noma ngilandi noma kwenzakalani. Ngikhulume kakhulu. So guys, I'm gonna be leaving you guys now. Thank you so much for joining my live. If you're looking to buy a car, please take my number on my bio or send me a message here on TikTok and I will call you. Is it a brand new Omoda? Yes, it's brand new Omoda. Brand new Omoda. Now umuntu ezothenga imoto engaqondile. Uqondile ngiyakubona. Thenga nje bethi imoto ke ake kuthiwe nje hayibo wehlile uNtoko masekhakini. Ebo uNtoko wehlile. uNtoko wehlile. Phela umuntu mayehlile usuke ehle ngalento. Akekho umuntu owehlayo wehla ngeteksi. Wehla ngeteksi yaqatha. Uqathakile uNtoko. Kanti uma ufika ngemoto nje kuba nesidima nje ukuthi hayibo uyehla uNtoko uyabuya. Yebo. So yes guys, if you're looking to buy a car, please take my number on my bio. My name is Philasani Ncamo. My requirements are you need to be making 7.5 after deductions. You need to have a credit score of 611. and you need to send me your ID, your license, your banking details, your bank statements actually, and your payslip. If you're self-employed, you can still get a car. You want to apply using your company, you can still get a car. You want to apply using your personal details, you can still use a car. Self-employed or working, you can get a car. If you want to apply using your company details, more than welcome. Now, for the last catch, if you know anyone who's looking to buy a car and you refer them to me and the deal gets approved, the minute mina lo muntu ngimnika imoto yakhe esuka ehamba, wena uyathola imali yakho engangomalini engango-2000. So uyayibona ke usuthole nje imali ngenxa yokuthi ushilo nje ukuthi hayibo yazi phela sande engimazi udayisa imoto. Sizobonana ke zithandwa zami. Bye. Don't forget to go on my page for Black Friday deals. Nizowabona ngihola 3.5 ngingalithola ithes lutho kehla ngeke call my wife, tell her to send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll call her. Take my number and give your wife, tell her to call me, or tell her to text me here on TikTok. She can do whatever she's comfortable with so we can talk. Or you give me your wife's number and I'll call your wife. I don't know what for, but I hope she's looking to buy a car. Where is your number? My number is pinned on the screen. It's literally pinned. 071-006-6001. Is it possible to buy a car if you are what okuhle? Nakhumbula esikoleni so okuhle. Oh babe, uhola u6K. Then he doesn't qualify, baby, unless if he has extra income, like if in a business because ngidinga umuntu ohola 7.5 ka phezulu. 8.5 uyayithola yini imoto. Definitely you can get a car if you're making 8.5. Just take my number. My number is 071-006-6001, and then we're gonna talk on WhatsApp. What if I'm working abroad? What documents do you need? If you're working abroad, you need to have at least a South African bank account that you use that we can see there's money being generated. Mntaka bakhokha malini o7-seater kuyadepend ukuthi ufuna u7-seater khona u7-seater we i-Renault i-Triber ikhokha imali much 279 ikhokha u6000 kuya ku6.5 bese kuzoba iSuzuki Ertiga ikhokha u6.5 kuya ku7000 kunjalo ngeRomeo because khona ku359,990 o7-seater ke labo. So we are choosela wena. Just take my number, ungisendela WhatsApp. Toyota Ramyon if you buy it cash, it will 359,909. Okusho ukuthi monthly installment you're looking at paying plus or minus 6,500. Okay guys, let me love and leave you. Do you have an Audi? Yes, I do have an Audi Q2 over there. 417,990. Toyota Starlet, which one? Starlet Cross or Starlet XS? Starlet X, the small one, it's going for 279,990. If you want Starlet Cross, 359,990. Mendi deposit 100,000. So it deposits mean I can't tell you what is okhiphela malini, you know, because kumele kube into esidiscuss on finance layer. So after your deal has been approved and then I inform them that you're gonna deposit 100,000 rand, but obviously your installment is gonna get lower, very much lower if you deposit go 100,000. I think if you deposit 100,000 in 2,000. Yes. 2,000. So you can just take my number, send me your documents, we do an application, sibone ukuthi mawufaka leyo deposit izosikhiphela malini. Number yami nayo ifakiwe kodwa ukuyisho nje it's 071-006-6001. That's my number. I can't do that. I'm not allowed to do that. It's against Poppy Act. Also, you guys make people pay for that service, and if kwenze ukuthi umuntu awumkhiphi kuzoba yimina ongena enkingeni. So I'm not permitted to do that at all. Because mina ngizosinyarifela umuntu ngithi yini ngithi nanga umuntu bese uyamkhokhisa leyo mali umkhokhisa yona bese kumele asizakale kuni ngasizakalanga inkinga izoba ngakumina. Okay guys, bye. Thank you so much for joining my live. See you guys the next time. I don't have a physical one, but I can show you on my emails. Who sent us the stock sheets this week? Let me check. We didn't receive it. We belong together. But we didn't get a stock sheet this week. We didn't. Last week we did. Let me just double check. I wasn't here on Monday. Demo and used car. No, this is a fast start. We did get a stock sheet last week though. Just give me a second, I'll check for you. Yeah, here it is. On Friday, Tracy sent it to us.
Send it to me.
How done? Cabanga ukuthi angilazi igama lakho. Okay guys, bye bye.